Why do birds fly? Where does the sun go at night? How do planes stay in the air? Questions are everywhere. They help us learn, explore, and understand the world around us. But have you ever wondered how to ask a question correctly in English? Let's find out. In English, when we ask information questions, we follow a specific order. Question word, plus auxiliary verb, plus subject. And it ends with a question mark. Let's look at an example. What is your name? Here. What is the question word? Is the auxiliary verb. And your name is the subject. In English, we use different question words depending on the type of information we are seeking. These question words help us gather specific details from someone when we ask a question. Let's take a closer look at each of these question words and when we use them. Where? This question word is used to ask about a place or location. For example, if you want to know someone's location, you would ask, "Where do you live?" This helps you learn about a specific place, whether it's someone's homework or any other location. When? This question word is used to ask about time, whether it's a specific time of day, a date, or an event. For example, if you're asking about someone's birthday, you could say, "When is your birthday?" It's a simple way to gather time-related information. What? This is one of the most versatile question words and can be used to ask about things or actions. For example, if you're curious about someone's preferences, you might ask, "What do you like to eat?" Similarly, it can also be used to ask about things or objects like, "What is this?" When asking about actions, you can say, "What did you do yesterday?" Or, "What are you planning to do?" In these cases, what is used to ask about an activity or event? Why? We use why when we want to know the reason behind something. It's the perfect question word to use when you're looking for an explanation. For example, if someone is late, you might ask, "Why are you late?" This question looks for the cause or reason for an action or situation. How? This word is used to ask about the manner quality or quantity of something. It's especially helpful when you want to understand how something is done. The quality of something or the amount of something. For example, if you're curious about how something is done, you might ask, "How do you make this dish?" If you want to know about the quantity of something, you could ask, "How much of this do you need?" Similarly, when you want to understand someone's feelings or state, you might ask, "How do you feel?" In all of these cases, how is used to gain more insight into the way something is done. Its quality or its quantity. Remember, a question always starts with a capital letter and ends with a question mark. Great job! Now you understand how to structure questions in English. The more you practice, the more natural it will feel. Try forming your own questions and keep improving.